Hello, Phil Thatch here today, and I am at Booker T. Washington State Park, right on the Tennessee River, Chickamauga Lake in the greater Chattanooga area. I think this is Harrison. And today I've got some extreme close-up Great Blue Heron video that I made with my Nikon Z6. Sorry about all the noise from the cars going by here on Champion Road. It is a pretty busy thoroughfare, and matter of fact, my sister lives just down the road a ways in a subdivision. But this is a great park. You should check it out if you get a chance, if you're ever in the area. There's a boat ramp here and a swimming area and a fishing pier, public restroom, some hiking trails. Booker T. Washington State Park in Tennessee. Check it out. Enjoy the video. You can hear my car running. I'm at Booker T. Washington State Park, and I've got pretty good light on this Great Blue Heron. And this is a study in focus and feathers. Here's another shot of that heron. They don't like to move much when it's really cold like this. The car says it's 35. I'm just hanging the camera out the window of the car. Look at the detail in those feathers. What an amazing bird. I'm using the Nikon Z6 with the 2.0 teleconverter and the 500 f4G. Thanks for posing for us, Great Blue Heron. Here's a few stills from the day. I'll start out with this beautiful female eastern bluebird, and next we'll see an even prettier male eastern bluebird. Both of these are with the 1000mm setup that I discussed a minute ago, and of course I had to include a still of the extreme close-up Great Blue Heron. Okay, so I think I'm going to call it a day from Booker T. Washington State Park. I really came here, some friends of mine, Percy and Michael, had seen a bufflehead duck female here the other day, and I was hoping to see that duck myself. Apparently my girlfriend has sent me a text message. That's what that honking sound was. But I didn't see the bufflehead. I did see plenty of pied-billed grebes, but I was unable to get a really good photograph of the grebes, but I had a great time making extreme close-up Great Blue Heron video and some photos as well. So that was fun. I saw a couple of pine warblers here and didn't photograph them. But anyway, Booker T. Washington State Park. It's a fun place. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.